Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
When you see RC not supported, that means chat features are unavailable on your device. This alert usually points to either your carrier or your messaging app. The reliable requirement is Google Messages as your default SMS app. You also need an active SIM and an internet connection for registration. RCS implementations expect Android 6.0 or later on most phones. If those items are missing, the device cannot register to unified RCS chat services. First, set Google Messages as your default SMS app in Settings Right Arrow Apps Right Arrow Default Apps. Next, open Google Messages and tap Settings, then Chat Features to enable them. Enter or verify your phone number when prompted for RCS registration. Make sure mobile data or Wi-Fi is active so registration can reach servers. If registration fails, update Google Messages and clear its cache before trying again. Allow up to 24 hours for carriers and Google to finish the registration handshakes. If chat features still show unsupported, the only reliable fix is Google Messages with chat enabled. Confirm your carrier advertises RCS or universal profile support for your plan and region. If carriers block RCS, contact support and ask about enabling the service on your line. Also confirm your SIM is active and not provisioned as data only. As a last resort, switch phones or carriers, because some hardware or plans will not allow RCS registration at all. Use SMS fallback when
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.